In today's video, I'll show you how to use ElevenLabs for YouTube automation so you can turn written scripts into consistent, high-quality voiceovers for your videos. If you're new to YouTube automation, the main idea is simple. You create scripts, convert them into voiceovers using AI, and use those voiceovers to produce videos faster and more efficiently. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and open the text-to-speech section or projects workspace. This is where you'll generate all your narration for YouTube content. Next, prepare your video script. For better results, keep your writing clear, engaging, and structured with a strong hook at the beginning and short, easy-to-follow paragraphs. Now choose a voice from the library. For YouTube automation, a natural, neutral, and easy-to-listen-to voice usually works best since it appeals to a wide audience. Once your voice is selected, paste your script into the editor. Make sure your text is properly formatted because punctuation and spacing have a big impact on how the voice sounds. Before generating, quickly review your script for errors and clarity. A clean script leads to a more professional-sounding voiceover. Now click Generate and let ElevenLabs convert your text into speech. After the audio is ready, listen to the full voiceover. If something feels off, adjust the script, change pacing with punctuation, or switch voices and generate again. Once you're satisfied, download the audio file and import it into your video editing software to sync it with visuals, clips, and effects. To improve your workflow, you can reuse voice settings and build a consistent style across all your videos, making your channel sound more professional over time. And that's how you use ElevenLabs for YouTube automation. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.